Now the problem is once the sensor ID is incremented here and then it's incremented here, and then we always get from 0 to 2 and 4 and like this, we are skipping one sensor, a sensor in between, the sensor for an index for the list in between. So we need to remove this, and we need to run again, and now it will print all the sensors. The app is loading. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetic field sensor, orientation sensor, temperature sensor, proximity sensor, light sensor, pressure sensor, rotation vector sensor. One is geomag, one is GAM, rotation vector sensor. Gravity sensor, linear acceleration sensor, rotation vector sensor again, and orientation sensor. So we have these 13 kind of sensors available in our emulator that we can see also from here. Go to virtual sensors, and we have all these accelerometers and magnetometer and rotation here, and then these are additional sensors: ambient temperature, proximity, pressure, magnetic field, light, and relativity. And you can change the values like this and print the values on the screen. So let's close it. So that's it. We have shown how we can print a list of available sensors on our app UI. We can make the first text, this heading text of text, a bit bigger, like text text size. Yeah, click here, and then make it like 25 dp. Yeah, and now if we run, we see how much is the size of our text. And it increased the size of the text of um, all the text that was printed. I think the better way is that we have another text view here on the top, which is list of sensors header only, and we remove this text line and this text size as well. And now if we will this text view will show separately, and it will be just the if you click here, it will just the heading of the list of sensors, list of available sensors. The next will come here. So we click here, and we see how our app will look like now, the UI. So the app is loading again, and then now this shows not in the right place. Let's fix it again. Go to the text view. Yeah, because I think this orientation is missing. The orientation of our Android linear layout should be vertical. It means that these text views should come the second text view should come below the first one. Now we run it. So that's how it looks now. Perfectly fine. Wonderful. We can increase this text of this size a little bit, but I think we keep it as it is right now. And so that's it. Now what we want to have next we want to have another text view below it, which will give us, for example, the value of the pressure sensors. Value of pressure sensor, and we name our sensor as pressure sensor, our text view as pressure sensor. we can have the size